कहते हैं ना कि यार अच्छा मेरे माँ बाप की वजह से ये सारा कुछ हुआ and all that, and you come from a broken house also, and I've also belong to a broken family. Then you find somebody to blame for everything.
I think you know who I'm about to blame. I think we all know who I'm gonna blame, but no, I'm not gonna name that person.
But you see, blame game to hati hai, chalo, wo bhi hota hai. But then when you grow up and you try to fill those shoes, you also realize that they were also trying to find it out. They were also trying to figure it out.
I think usi aapki wali baat pe, I would say that about my mom, because she was literally just trying to figure it out. She had me when she was like 20.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty young age for somebody to have a child. Like, I'm 27.
And she was a working actress at that time.
She was a working actress. And so it wasn't even like wo kaam nahi kar rahi thi aur wo kuch bhi nahi kar rahi thi. She was the mom and the dad of the relationship. Like, so I never felt like mujhe ek baap ki kami kabhi padi. Because she was so headstrong and she was so motivated and so driven and so like wanting to build a better life for me कि I have literally no complaints towards her in that sense. मतलब हाँ, बचपन में I think when you're a teenager you do tend to have like irritations towards your parents, and I think everybody does at some point. But then when you obviously when you come to age and you realize okay, no, they're literally just people trying to figure it out. So that, I think I got to that point when I turned maybe like 23 or 24, where I was like...
I think that happened to me when I was in my 30s. I was like, oh, acha.
Yeah.
They're also human.
Yeah, and they're trying their best as well, you know. They're also trying to just figure it out. So, yeah.
Have you had the conversations?
What conversations?
Like, hota na, because I started having that conversation with my father जब आप earn करना शुरू करते हैं.
Yeah.
तो you know, like आपको table पे एक अलग सी respect मिलना शुरू हो जाती है. अच्छा, you're pulling your own weight and everything and all that. Mashallah, now you're married and all that.
Yeah.
So have you had those conversations? Now they treat you like an adult या अभी भी बच्चों की तरह ही हो रहा है?
I had that conversation with my mom. I think when I was 22, I moved out for a hot minute. I was just like, okay, bye. I need to make my own money. I need to like get my own apartment. So it was a whole argument that we both had, and then I was like, okay, bye. So I moved out. I got my own apartment. After a little bit, we started talking again. And uske baad se, like, our relationship became so nice because she actually started seeing me like an adult. She was like, okay, tum ek badi ladki ho, tum responsible ho, tum cheezein kar rahi ho. Acting bhi kar rahi ho, baki sari cheezein bhi kar rahi ho, you're making money out of those things. That's great. So then that's awesome. So I continued doing that. We had a great relationship. She would come over. She would bring food. She would like help me set up the house. Yeah. It was really nice. And then obviously jab aage jaake thodi si like a year into it, I moved back in with her. And then after like I think 2-3 years, she was like, do you want to get married? And I was like, maybe.
अच्छा, उन्होंने लड़का ढूंढा था?
No, so I had a friend of mine who was a really, really close friend of mine, and she saw that, you know, he was there for me in a lot of things that I was going through at that point. And like, he just also happens to be a therapist, but at that point he was my friend. So he was helping me a lot with like a lot of like, you know, mental things that I had issues with. And then eventually she was like, oh, you should, you know, consider him, this and that. And I was like, no, we're friends. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. And then eventually like...
ये एक तो नहीं मुझे समझ आती. ये जो औरत पहले कहती नहीं हम friends हैं.
Because we were.
ये क्या मतलब होता है?
Because we were. Like I had no intentions.
I think that's the best thing. I mean, if you find a friend, because at the end of the day, you're looking for that.
Exactly.
तो फिर पहले why do you reject it?
Because आप उस लाइट में आप देखते ही नहीं हो ना उस इंसान को. You know what I mean? I couldn't imagine this person in that light because मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं था वैसे. You know, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके maybe like a month or 2 ये वो. हाँ, and then like, you know.
So did he propose yet? Did you give him hints or something like that or what?
We both kind of did like each other. So we both were he was dropping more hints than I was. And then eventually we kind of were like, okay, I guess it's really obvious we both like each other. Kya scene hai? So then my mom sat him down and she was like, listen, if you really like him, if you really like her, you should do something. Anything. So then he brought his parents. They came, they met mom, and it was really nice. They're a very mashallah, they're very like loving, supportive, very beautiful family. And
Mashallah.
genuinely, like, I don't think that I could have asked for a better family. They're my babies. I love them. I love them.
That's good, man. That's good. Let's talk about you love ink.
I do. I'm all inked out.
But what do they stand for? I mean,
there's a
I know
bunch.
एक दो तो वैसे ही वाले होंगे वो जो starting वाले होते हैं.
बहुत
But then
सारे
they need to have meanings and everything.
So I have one over here. It's the sun. And my mom has a Made in Heaven tattoo back here. And my dad has an eagle over here.
And
like an eagle eye.
That's, yeah.
You've seen it, right?
Yeah,
so वो मेरे दिमाग में वो ये था कि my mom is of the heaven, my dad is of the earth, and I am of the universe. So it was one of those like thingies. And then some of them have like meanings, but most of them are just for aesthetic purposes, honestly, at this point.
Speaking of you trying to find yourself,
Yeah.
like I said, there's a lot of fashion things, there are a lot of drama, and there's a lot of music.
Yes.
अगर मैं कहूँ कि इन तीनों में से कौन सी चीज़ define you as a person, what would it be?
I think it would probably be mostly fashion because that's something that I'm on a daily on a daily thing. I'm always like trying to dress up. I'm always trying to look good somehow, like, or feel good. I love collecting pieces. I love thrifting. I love I love customizing my character. I love Sunday Bazaar so much. I can't even explain to you.
I used to enjoy Sunday Bazaar so much.
I love Sunday Bazaar.
जब नया हम लोग इंडस विजन के ज़माने में आते थे ना, तो हमारा एक पूरा ट्रिप होता था कि हमने संडे बाजार जाना है, खाना खाना है, और पुराने वो बैग्स वहाँ से मिलते थे, कॉन्वर्स जूते वहाँ से मिलते थे. I used to get so much stuff from there. अब कहाँ होता है संडे बाजार?
It happens near Bilawal House के पास. Yeah, exactly.
I think I need to go.
Yes, you do. We should go together.
Then I really want to go, man. You get so much cool stuff and all that.
And now it's also open on Saturdays, so you can go early on a Saturday and get like really good stuff.
Oh my God. But you're not into acting.
I mean, I am, but it depends on the roles for sure.
टेम्परामेंट नहीं है कि मतलब होता है कि यार वही सास बहू और वही वाले ड्रामे चल रहे हैं, वो नहीं मैंने करना.
टेम्परामेंट फिर भी है, लाइक अगर मुझे करना पड़ेगा तो मैं कर लूंगी, वो मसला नहीं है. बट इट्स जस्ट दैट इट गेट्स रियली मोनोटोनस. एंड देन आपने जब 6-7 ड्रामे एग्जैक्टली वैसे ही किए होते हैं ना, तो यूर लाइक फिर से अब यही करना पड़ेगा. एंड इट गेट्स रियली अनोइंग बिकॉज लाइक यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट मुझे लगता है कि अब कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ अलग आप अपनी ऑडियंस को नहीं दे रहे हो. आप वही सास बहू के इश्यूज आप कॉन्स्टेंटली you're literally shoving it down people's throats. I feel like आप अगर वही चीज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली दिखाएंगे तो लोगों का, हमारी आवाम का वही माइंडसेट रहेगा. You're not showing them anything that's educational.
But it gets ratings. It gets what, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग पिछले 60 साल से ये काम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So, I mean, people aren't getting tired of it.
I understand that, but that's also all they know, right? We're not really educating them through TV like a lot of other people in the world are with their channels. We're not spreading awareness about anything. We're not showing them different genres of things.
Yeah, I think we're doing a few. I think there were some very controversial plays अभी हुए थे जिसमें औरतों के हुकूक के ऊपर, मैरिटल रेप के ऊपर और इस तरह के इश्यूज के ऊपर. आई थिंक मावरा डिड अ प्ले लाइक दैट आल्सो. सो मतलब इस तरह के बन रहे हैं. केस नंबर 9 आई थिंक एक है, दैट्स आल्सो अबाउट डोमेस्टिक अब्यूज एंड ऑल दैट. सो देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेस जो कि वुमेन ओरिएंटेड इश्यूज के ऊपर आ रहे हैं.
बट यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली शोइंग, वही बात है कि you're constantly showing women in like fragile states instead of showing them as like strong women. You know what I'm saying? So the duality of that is kind of stupid because like आप अगर constantly एक औरत को उस situation में दिखाई जा रहे हो, that is the mindset that women are going to have eventually, right?
Yeah.
Whereas if you show them a strong, independent woman, because I feel like the Pakistani writers are not giving the women enough credit for being strong enough.
सारी चीजें औरतों पे लिखी जा रही हैं.
हाँ, but credit in the sense कि like हम strong नहीं है, हम independent नहीं है, हम अपना we can't hold our own. How do you define
independence? What is independence to you?
So, for example, and I've said this on a lot of random podcasts, and I feel like someone might cancel me, but like, but I feel like the women that we are writing about, right, which is like middle class, lower middle class, right? these women are independent women. They have been holding their own for years, right? बहुत सारी ऐसी औरतें हैं अब उसी stage पे in their lives where they also have their own jobs. They also have bikes that they're sometimes riding. They also have, there's a lot of like salon girlies that work at the salon and they're making their own money and they're supporting their own families.
उस तरह तो देखो जो घर में काम करने वाली आती है वो भी एक इंडिपेंडेंट
exactly, but आप
वो तो काम भी कर रही है
but आप उसको डम बना रहे हो ना ड्रामों में आप उसको you're not giving her the life skills that she's supposed to have because immediately जब आप एक औरत दिखाते हो on TV that has a little bit of a brain to have life skills to be able to go forward in life एकदम से वो एक बुरी औरत हो जाती है why
अच्छा okay so
do you know what I'm saying
you're trying to say कि if she's ambitious if she's career oriented तो उसको negative में
exactly
दिया